I know you feel like you know all the pistols on the market, but do you know when they were released? Are you even sure you know the pistols that hit the market in 2024? Well, it's a good thing you clicked on this video, because by the end of it, you'll no longer have doubts when asked those questions I began with. This year, many epic pistols were released into the market, especially in the concealed carry space, as more and more people have grown interested in carrying guns. Top manufacturers didn't fail to give us something for the year, so we'll explore the top releases for 2024. Get ready to make some amazing discoveries. This list would be incomplete without the Sig Sauer P365 fuse on it. First of all, the P365 series is one of the most renowned series of compact pistols on the market, and if you shot any at all, you can attest to their reliability and flawless performance. For whatever purpose you need a carry pistol, there's a P365 that answers the call. The Sig Sauer P365 fuse is a great mix of features from various models of the series, breathing an intriguing version released in June 2024. Although a bit bigger than the base P365, and in fact the largest in the series, the fuse version is still a compact pistol with mixed features from the X Marco in the case of the extended grip and the XL series, in which case it's the longer slide. It weighs only 23.1 ounces and bears a 4.3-inch carbon steel barrel. Sig likes to call it the crossover carry pistol. Like all others, it's striker-fired and chambered in 9mm. You could use it for home defense, concealed carry self-defense, and range shooting. The pistol does all these easily and conveniently. Equipped with a high capacity of 21 rounds, the Sig Sauer P365 fuse normally costs around $780 to purchase. However, it can run up to $1,100 if you get it equipped with a Romeo X compact sight. Apparently, CZ isn't ready to end its current series of pistols anytime soon. The CZ P-09 Nocturn is a boost and a refinement to the already existing series. Released in 2024, the Nocturn model is chambered in 9mm and comes in both compact and full-sized versions, utilizing the double-action, single-action Omega trigger mechanism. The durability of this pistol is unquestionable, as it's made with fiberglass reinforced polymer. The grip texture has a sturdy build, and all over it has a new texture pattern. A notable feature of the CZ P-09 Nocturn is its optics-ready design, compatible with Shield RMS Holosun K-type red dot sight and footprint. Aside from the slide catch release lever, which has new shapes, the hammer-forged barrel, accessory rail, and the sizes of the interchangeable back straps remain unchanged. The full-size version of the CZ P-09 Nocturn has a 19-round magazine capacity, while the compact version holds 15 rounds, keeping up with the trend among compact-sized pistols. It's equipped with firing pin block safety along with other safeties. If you're looking for a pistol that offers maximum performance within the $500 range, the CZ P-09 Nocturn is a valuable option, even though it has an extra $49 to it, making it cost $549. Taurus decided that it was time for them to spread their wings. With a reputation for making quality, affordable, and reliable handguns, the company felt it needed to leap into the 10mm market in 2024. The result is a remarkable pistol with high performance, the Taurus TH10. Being the company's very first 10mm pistol released late in December 2023, the Taurus TH10 is a personal protection pistol, an improvement on already existing models. It's equipped with a smooth, crisp, double-action, single-action trigger and a thumb safety that doubles as a decocker. The Taurus TH10 is full-sized, featuring a 4.25-inch barrel and a capacity of 15 rounds. Not bad for a first time, and of course, it's reliable and efficient. Both right and left-handed shooters are provided the opportunity to experience the power of this handgun as its controls are ambidextrous. It's equipped with an accessory rail, loaded chamber indicator, and firing pin block, all with a weight of 28.5 ounces and a price tag of $530. FN continues its line of high-performance 509 pistol series and drops the FN 509cc Edge XL as the ultimate. Not only does the price tag on this one suggest that it's for the elite, but its specs equally suggest that it's meant to be a standout pistol. The FN 509cc Edge XL is striker-fired and chambered in 9mm. It features a double-action system and has a magazine capacity of 10 or 17 rounds. The shootability of this pistol is outstanding and its accuracy is plausible. The barrel is 4.2 inches long and it weighs 29 ounces. It features an easily detachable FN compensator for maximum management of the recoil, which is claimed to reduce the muzzle flip by up to 20%. The optics are super amazing. The front side is fiber optic and the rear is all black co-witness height. Going for a premium $1,629, the FN 509cc Edge XL is quite an astounding pistol. If you've watched till this point, we'd like you to let us know if you found this video interesting and enlightening by liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll then reveal the top 3 pistols on our list, so hang tight because the video isn't done yet. If you haven't heard of the Daniel Defense H9, you've probably heard of the Hudson H9, which was released in 2017. After the company went bankrupt due to lots of money issues, Daniel Defense is more like the company's way of staging a comeback and an appearance in the handgun market. The DDH9 comes in an improved size and is sized between a compact and a full-sized barrel. It was launched at the SHOT Show this year and has some pretty amazing features like an anodized 7075 aluminum alloy grip frame, removable grip panels, and a Picatinny that accepts multiple accessory choices. The DDH9 is a durable striker-fired pistol with quite the price tag. It comes equipped with ambidextrous controls, reversible magazine release, and a bilateral slide release lever. When it comes to the shooting experience, the Daniel Defense H9 looks and feels like a 1911, but when shot, it has the flexibility and ease of use of a polymer pistol. And oh, it has a 4.2-inch hammer-forged stainless steel barrel, weighs 29.96 ounces with a 15-round magazine capacity. You get all of these and more for a whopping $1,299. Caniks are made by a Turkish manufacturer that stepped into the US market a few years back by collaboration. Now, the company has built a good reputation for itself, one of which that is known to produce quality and affordable handguns. The Canik TTI Combat doesn't come as cheap though. Released in April 2024, the Canik TTI Combat is a great blend of ergonomics, aesthetics, and performance. It's the company's first factory-compensated ported pistol, growing popular among its fans. The Canik TTI Combat features a two-tone Cerakote bronze finish, interchangeable frames, and slides serrated on the front and rear. Every other feature of this pistol is the standard for most striker-fired pistols: 9mm chamber, polymer frame, steel slide, and a 4.6-inch barrel. The magazine capacity is quite high as it's able to hold 21 rounds of ammunition without hassle, and it also has an 18-round flush-fit mag. One particularly awesome thing about this pistol is its fantastic iron sight with a dovetailed rear sight. It's high quality and produces very good visuals. The compensator installed on the Canik TTI Combat counters its recoil and makes handling the pistol easier and more comfortable. I did mention that this one doesn't come cheap, right? Well, it goes for a hefty $949 and delivers just as much as it's worth. After running at a loss in production numbers, Smith & Wesson bounced back and released the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 in July 2024. You're right if you say the Bodyguard 2.0 looks like the Shield Plus. However, Take everything good the Shield Plus isn't, along with the good qualities of the whole M&P series, and you have the Bodyguard 2.0. It's new and improved for a better shooting experience. The Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 is a polymer-framed striker-fired pistol chambered in 380 ACP. It uses the lock breech system to manage the recoil, and you can have the Bodyguard with or without thumb safety. When the original Bodyguard was released in Las Vegas in 2012, it commanded much attention. It's only natural that Smith & Wesson produced an even better version because they have a standard to live up to. The series offers various models with distinct capabilities. Some even come with lasers. The Bodyguard 2.0 is a micro pistol and ideal self-defense handgun. With a magazine capacity of up to 12 rounds extended, it's lightweight and weighs only 9.8 ounces unloaded with a highly concealable barrel of 2.75 inches. Smith & Wesson likes to say that the Bodyguard 2.0 begins the generation of micro pistols. Featuring a trigger crisper than the models before, this pistol has stolen the hearts of many and it hasn't even been around for that long. What's more, it takes just $449 to get it off the shelf. With the Sig Sauer P365 fuse, we bring this video to a smooth end. Hope you liked it. Did you know these pistols were recent releases before now? If you've tried any of them out, please share your experience with us in the comments down below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.